Hi guys, welcome back. I actually came with good news. We students YouTubers, like students that are on YouTube, we are fond of coming here to tell you guys that, oh, I'm preparing for my exams. That was why I was away. Blah 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 blah. When we are starting our journey, we are telling you, like when we are writing our exams, we are always telling you people, but then when the result comes out, we go mute. We don't update you guys anymore. That is actually why I'm making this clip. So our pre-cancelled exam was a 3 days exam. It is divided into 3 sections: paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Paper 1 is a combination of all you've been learning since the day you entered school till present. Paper 2 is also the same thing with a touch of research. Then paper 3 is cow scale. That is the practical aspect of nursing. You have to carry out some procedures, and that's how it is. So we finished the exam on Friday. No, the exam was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Friday. The result came out yesterday, being Thursday. So because it is computer based, that is why the result is actually very fast. If it were before that we write with paper and pen, it will take like a week or two before the result will be out to be released. But now we wrote it on Wednesday, and on Thursday by 3 o'clock result is out. Hey, so actually I checked the result, and to God be the glory, I cleared. There's no receipts. There was no red pen on my result. I was super grateful because my paper 1, I wrote it with fear in my heart. Like I already explained that there are 250 questions for you to answer in 2 hours. So most of the questions, especially the long ones, you're not even reading them to understand. You're just clicking A. You're just clicking B. At a point, I was now doing JESUS, Jesus, the number B. And the paper 1 wasn't funny at all. Things that we've not learned came out, and I was scared that was the paper I was going to fail. Paper 2, things that we were taught came out. It was more of reproductive health, anatomy, a little bit of entrepreneurship. I mean, it was just nice. And I was thinking that paper 2 is actually the best because I came out from that exam hall smiling. Little did I know that the paper 2 I was thinking was the best was the one I scored the least. The paper 1 I was thinking, hey God, what did I write? I scored the most. This just taught me that in exams, where you stop is where God starts. The paper you have written and you feel like, oh, this one, I know what I wrote. That is the one that you don't actually know what you wrote. The one you are thinking that, hey God, what, that is that one. Hi, I just saw my results. I was so shocked. Like I was this close to failure in that my paper 2 that I was thinking that I knew everything in our school. Not in our school, in nursing, cut-off mark is 50. And I was seeing plenty of people that had 49 and they had a fail. I had 50. 50, bam! When I opened the result, I wasn't even able to open the result. I'm not even going to lie. I was not the one that opened the result. My friend actually helped me open it. When she opened it, she was like, guess what he had? I was like, wait a minute, this one. I'm going to show me result. Because my heart was just beating so fast. To think that, why is even so striking is because if you don't qualify for this exam, you're not going to sit for the final cancelled exam. That's 1. 2, failure to pass this exam means that, like, if you fail any course out of the paper 1, 2, 3, if you fail any one, you have to resit it. And resitting that course means that you are going to pay 35,000 naira. Is it 35? Yes. 35,000 naira to rewrite a course. We registered the course with 55,000 naira. So we registered that, like we registered for our pre-cancel 85. And we're going to pay 35 to now resit it. And then, as if that's not enough, to think that you will start reading all over, having sleepless nights. Did you see how me and my roommates were sleeping? You are struggling to be awake, but your body is telling you that you have to go back to sleep. It was such a hustle. So I am still grateful. I'm still in shock because if I don't get 50, if I get 49, hey, I go pay 35K. I'll start reading everything again. I'll start praying again to God to help me, because if you don't pass this one now, like if you have a receipt and you write a receipt and you fail again, then you will not be able to write the council exam. You wait for the next set to come. Hey, it's a lot. It's a lot of mental stress. So I am so grateful. The way I jumped yesterday. Hey. So guys, help me and thank God though. He has done a lot of he's always coming through. This guy is too good. He's always coming through. So I'm so grateful. I decided to come here to tell you guys that I made it. I made it after, my sleepless nights, everything, my prayer to God, everything actually turned out well. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, DJ shut down. Oh, CJ, don't call me. Hey, I'm always gone. Will you mind?